like that. Better safe than sorry. So therefore, better to prepare for death and dying and the life after the future. When you be a good person in this world, good practitioner, then you are preparing for better future. Right? That's much better than believing in some system like Buddhism and not doing it. So thank you very much. Sorry I talked too long. I don't think we have time for questions. Our time is up, so we should stop before Shambhala kicks us out. No, just kidding. So I'd like to thank you all very much for being here this evening, and I'm really happy to be back in Köln and with all of you. And I'd like to thank Shambhala, Sangha, and friends here. I've always felt this strong connection with the teachings of Trungpa Rinpoche. I saw him in Boulder, Colorado in 1980. First I met him in New York, and then we spent time in Colorado in 1980 when I was serving the 16th Karmapa. I was a young attendant. And so since then, whenever I am at the Shambhala Center, I feel his presence, Trungpa Rinpoche's presence, his blessing. It's really wonderful that you're doing study and practice here. And Rinpoche's teachings are excellent for Western students. And so I'd like to thank Shambhala people here for continuing the vision of Vidyadhara Dzogchen Ponlop Rinpoche under the direction of Sakyong Rinpoche. So thank you very much for having me here this evening as a guest speaker. And for more teachings on Bardo, there are so many wonderful books, right? One that Trungpa Rinpoche also worked on, Tibetan Book of the Dead, and then Trungpa Rinpoche's other book, Transcending Madness. And then recently there has been complete translation of the Tibetan Book of the Dead. The original one was not complete, partial. So recent translations are complete. Translation, there's one from Bob Thurman and the other one from Gyurme Dorje. These two complete version of Tibetan Book of the Dead. And I'm sure there's a lot in German. Sorry, I don't really know German that well. No, just kidding. I don't know German that well. And then, last, then you have my book. It's called Mind Beyond Death. And I try to approach teaching from Bardo with guidance from my teacher, Khenpo Rinpoche. And it's more, I was joking when I was writing that book with my editor. I was joking and said, let's work on a non-theistic Bardo book, which seemed to be quite, what you call, mission impossible. Because Bardo is all about 100 deities, right? And thank you. And one last thing is I want to give you the very joyful news that you may have heard already. His Holiness the 17th Karmapa, is scheduled to come to the West for the first time. And he's going to come to New York on May 15th. And he'll be in the States from May 15th to June 2nd. I think the detailed schedule I will give to Chris here at Shambhala Center. So you will have it here, and also other centers will have a detailed schedule. And so you're welcome to celebrate that. And welcome to join. And we'll have a website you can check out later. It's going to be kamapavisit.org. Yeah. At last, I have one question. Is there a life before death?
As you know, we all feel always a very strong connection to yourself, and also to, of course, your teacher, Khenpo Rinpoche. We all feel that we've had tremendous benefit from your teachings and from Khenpo Rinpoche's teachings. And especially tonight again, we want to thank you for your penetrating and insightful and also very touching way that you present these teachings, which are not always easy. So thank you very much for doing that. I think we'll all remember now to wear the underwear of kindness. So thank you very much for that. Thank you for coming to Shambhala Center.
Thank you.
And please come back.
Und also, ich möchte noch auch natürlich herzlich bedanken, auch Kamala Shila. Rinpoche ist auch der Vorsitzende von Kamala Shila. Das ist ein Retreatzentrum hier in der Nähe in Eifel, wo auch Lama Söner und Lama Kelsang sind. Und das ist eine sehr gute Möglichkeit auch zu praktizieren, tiefer zu praktizieren und die Kagyu und Nyingma-Belehrungen zu lehren. Und dort hat auch Rinpoche gerade am letzten Wochenende gelehrt. Und wir sind immer sehr dankbar für die sehr angenehme, warmherzige Zusammenarbeit mit Kamala Shila. Danke sehr. So thank you for the collaboration.
Thank you. Thank you, and you're of course welcome to Kamala Shila anytime.